better soon. Affecting Rachel's meeting dream changed my life. Sleep me. I love you not only for what you are, but for what I am when I am with you. I love you not only for what you have made me of yourself, but you are what you are making of me. I love you for the part of my that is bring out in you. I found love a friend, companion, a mother, a role model, a perfect human in short. You are my total package. I am glad you are not just in my life, but that you are my better half. You complete me in all ways. I have so many things today for, but the most important is that I am going to live my life proving to you with each day that you are my one true love always and forever we will together with nothing to come between us. I love you, my woman. Always, if you ask me a million times how much I love you, my answers will remain the same. That I love you too much in a million ways. You are love in my heart is fresh and perseverting each day for the next day come. Since I meet you, I had no regards, and I am positive there going to be every with you in my life. My days are much better to the woman of my dream, the only that claims my spirit always, the only woman and that holds my heart looked. I love you too much, baby. I wanted to care that anyone saves or with every happiness. You will always be my one and only woman. Love is a word which gives me a high. I love you so much. No limit like sky. Few are the people who found true love, and I am lucky to have you by side. I do not know how will be says or how should I see, but you are my life only way. The more you are far, the more, and I am wanted to you more. The feelings so true like never felt before. I think that I feel for you is still love you. I am sure I want to live without you now. Do not know where it start and how, but baby, I am sure about you. My feelings that are true. I love you. Hope you also does. I post this because of you. My love, do you miss me? Because I miss you are every second. We are part now. We are living in a different time. Zones when it night there, it morning there, and that keeps us from talking as much as we add love. But you, even when are not speaking, you are always in my heart. Sometimes it hurts not being able to hear your voice when it the must or message me. You want to you see if hers, but understand time, distant or just temporary. What we have is real and it breath every horse we spend a part no matter how. Morning in your side of the world, I am you are the starting your day with me in your heart, just like end of my day, thinking of you. One day, time zones wind matter. One day will be make up to next each other, and every morning and night will be belong to us united. Then I will be keeping love you through the distance, through all the time. Through it all, I love you. Unless message me direct my love. I miss you a lot of promise before you are coming. Sunday celebrate. I will come to visit you, my love. Please wanted to sleep now. Please, I night. Please, honey. Rashid is not happy. He is crying. Please go to him the gift card now. Please or tomorrow, honey. Message me now, okay. Love is word which give you high. I love you so much. No limits like few are the people who found true love, and I am lucky to have you my side. I do not know will I say or how should I say, but you are my life. Only way the more you are fair, the more I wanting to you more. The feelings so true like never felt before. I think that I feel for you is still love. I am sure I want to live without you now.